So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my V palette, which is this one, and I'm going to take the shade So Shy and just put that into my inner corner, just to really brighten up in there. So this look is a really simple, quick look, but I think it is really pretty and really effective. So yeah, the next shade I'm going to go into is the shade Cozy on a little flat brush like this, and I'm going to just kind of do a little kind of cut crease thing. So I'm looking down into my mirror, which is down here, so I can kind of follow the shape, and then just kind of blending that out as you go. This doesn't have to be perfect because, as you can see on this side, it is mainly covered in glitter, but it is just to kind of add a bit of shape to your eye. Just blending that down into the socket and out there a little bit more. Okay, so glitter, this is honestly such a quick, easy makeup look. So I'm going into my Bella Pierre palette again, which I said in my last video I always use for glitter. And then I'm just kind of going between like these two shades and then just applying that directly on the lid, just as a base, just to kind of build the colour up in layers. Just building up, and then I take a fluffy brush and just go into all of this kind of shade, like the pinky to shades, and literally just apply that all over the lid, just blending it all over, just to kind of create that really sparkly lid. I'm really into just wearing like glitter on my eyelids at the moment. I'm not entirely sure where this has come from, but I'm not mad. I'm going to go into this colour here, which is like a pinky shade, and just really apply that onto the outer V. I'm going to actually spray my brush with some setting spray, just so it's a little bit damp and it makes the product a bit more of a paste. And just apply that onto the outer V. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with another clean brush and take just like a white shade and just apply that into the inner corner, and just brush away any fallout underneath. Okay, so for the gems I have this little box of crystals, and they're quite big, so don't know if you can actually even see that, but anyway, I'm gonna just, this part kind of needs to be a bit more precise because you want it to be symmetrical on each side. So I'm just taking a regular eyelash glue and just kind of transferring this side onto here. So I'm going to start off at the top with this one. So if you just look into your mirror, kind of about there. And there's another one about there. and then there's one about there in the eyebrow, and then there's one about here. You can obviously put these wherever you wish. It doesn't have to be where I'm putting them, but it takes some concentration. So I'm just doing a few at a time, just picking up some tweezers and literally just stamping them onto the forehead. It's actually quite a simple thing once you get the hang of it. Also, who likes my Christmas lights? Christmas is coming. For eyelashes, I'm going in with the Featherlight eyelashes by Miss H&M, which look like these. They're quite nice because they're not too full, which I am not a huge fan of, but this look would also look good with full lashes or no lashes. Quite nice like this, more of an editorial look. But I'm going in with these ones. So just apply, see how big they are first. Just applying some mascara, and yes, I have to put my dressing gown on because this little top is not keeping me warm. Just coat them a little bit. Just the top ones for the moment, and then I'm going to stick the lashes on. Okay, so that is the eyes for now. I'm going to then go in with my eyeshadow palette again and take a little bit of the shade Cozy and just apply that underneath, and take my eyeliner . Who the hell's that? I'm then going in with a nude eyeliner, and then I'm going to add just two little gems actually, one in the inner corner and then one part there. Oh. I thought that these would be too big, but they don't actually look that big. I thought I was going to have to add some little ones in, but these ones look fine. Oh, I can't see. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to go do the other eye and put some lip stuff on, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to do some on my chest as well, so I won't be too long. So this is the finished makeup look. See, and I love this look. I think it's so pretty, it's so girly. I might actually just wear it all day. I'm literally doing nothing, but I think it's just... And I just added some ones on my chest here, just for an added bit of sparkle. So yeah, if you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video on Friday. Don't know what I'll be doing as per usual, but I'll make it work. Fingers crossed. And yeah, thanks for watching.